Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to do a water marble with some bases loaded lacquer polishes. I'm going to use this one here. It is called Flashing Some Leather. And then next, this is it's Drew, but it was Braves Diva. And then bases loaded Simply Olive. And next up we've got Trade Rumors. I've got my liquid latex out. This is the stuff I got off of Amazon, and I just put it in a clean nail polish bottle with a brush, because this is the way I like to do it. So I normally don't show this part, but I thought I would today. Speaking of bases loaded Braves Diva, they're one and the same. So here lately I've just been calling all of her polishes by the new name, even though they might have the label of the previous branding, you know, Braves Diva. I figured it would be easier for me to keep up. So getting that latex on there all nice and even, yes. And I've got just a cup of room temperature regular water from my tap, and I put the first drop in and I run my toothpick around the edge to make sure all of it spreads to the edge of the cup. And then slowly I'm going to add in my drops of polish. I believe I do 12 drops per cup. And, you know, just kind of stay in the same routine. You know, putting them in the same order that I did them to begin with. I did my thumb off camera, but I'm going to do the other ones here with you. Part of me wanted to wait and do a water marble because I do have an order coming from Bases Loaded Lacquer with some new polishes from the Tooted and Rebooted collection, but I just couldn't wait. So I just kind of grabbed some fall-like colors from my current collection and jumped in here with this. Today I'm just doing the petal design. I'm making like 8 petals. And then I'm going to swish out the tips a little bit, give it a little bit more interest. And that's just where we're going with it today. And there's the swishing. It kind of brings those petals to a point, kind of like a poinsettia looks. I don't know. But I'm doing it all the way around the cup, because then that way I can look at it and pick out which part of it I want to use. Oh, I've already done 2 fingers, so I'm only going to get to show y'all 3 of them today. Oh well. But if you blow on the top of the water, it'll make the polish dry faster and makes cleanup a little quicker. But you definitely want to make sure you get up as much of that off the top of the water as you can, or it could end up on your design. And once I've got my finger out of the water, I'm going to go around it with the toothpick. Just break that seal, make sure I don't, you know, pull it up when I go to get this latex off. And here we go. Using my tweezers to get this latex removed. Snap and pull. There we go. And here we go. We're going to build up another bullseye real quick and get on with the manicure. So I did speed this up. I am not this quick. I sped it up a little bit just so that we could, you know, show more of the actual me doing this part of it. Because this is what this video was about today, was water marbling. One of my favorite nail art techniques. And I would do them way more often if I had more time. But I do really highly recommend that if you are having trouble water marbling, but your polishes are drying too fast, or you're really struggling with it and you want to do it, get a couple of creams from Bases Loaded Lacquer and give them a try, because they stay more pliable longer. And when you start doing these drops in the water, the air hits them and it makes the polish dry out, which can be a good thing. But if you're working slower, like we normally do when we're doing this kind of thing, it could be a problem. Oop, I bumped my cup. It's okay. It'll be okay. But these polishes stay wet on the water longer, and it gives you a little bit more time to maneuver that polish around and draw in designs and play with it. And like I said, I've never had any trouble with any of her creams for water marbling. To me, they're just perfect for it. It's like they're made for it. So here we go. We're going to get this one off here too. Snap. There we go. Alright, so down to the last nail here. We're doing like we've done. Run that toothpick around the cup and just start adding our colors. And I probably will revisit water marbling just as soon as my new order arrives. I don't even know what all I ordered. I know I ordered the Tooted and Rebooted collection. Highly anticipated. I could not stand it waiting for them, but I'm so happy that they're coming. But I also ordered any Rookies of the Month or polishes that I didn't already have, so we'll see when they get here. I'll try to remember to do a haul video. But I like the flower petal design, and I know a lot of people, that's the only design they care to do. I like to play with it, but I'm real bad about doing the zigzag line image a lot, so, you know, it's kind of all preference. You don't even have to make a design. You can just take your toothpick and go swish swish through the water and get a very organic look on your manicures, and I'm telling you, you just can't go wrong with it. It's so pretty. So there we go. I blew on the water a little bit, try to get it to dry up some. And I do pinch my cup between my thumb and whatever finger I'm water marbling to keep that cup from getting knocked over. Because I have done it more than once. There we go, going around the edge. Now, this manicure is totally fall. I mean, totally fall. It's fall colors, beautiful fall colors. And, you know, I mean, it was a water marble, and I could have left it alone just like that. But I'm going to do my cleanup. And then I looked at it and looked at it some more. And I decided to add a little something extra. So hang in there with me. We're getting there. Gotta get this cleanup done, though. But by having that latex, it made the cleanup way less. So much less. There we go. Gotta get up under there. Because I didn't have any latex way up under that nail. There we go. Busy with that cleanup brush. I spotted something on this nail that didn't get done good, so we're going back to it. Alright, I'm going to top this with I&M's out the door. I wanted to top it, smooth it all out. See, the top coat really brings it to life. Glossy. There's a swatch photo of the water marble on its own. I've decided to add this You Absolute Pine Cone. Beautiful topper by Bases Loaded Lacquer. I'm in love with it. And I'm not going to go too crazy with it. I'm going to go over it once right there, and that's it. Then I'm going to top it here with some Poshe top coat. And this one will be complete. And I really did enjoy this one. I had a good time doing it, wearing it, looking at it. But just because I like it don't mean you're going to. So leave me a comment down below. Let me know what you think about it. Oh, Woody did appearance. Hi, Woody. So that is it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.